Right now, you are live on Defcado TV. If you not subscribe yet, like I always dey tell you, my guy, subscribe now. And also, when you subscribe, make sure say you share the work, so you will reach up to high number of people. There they go know say you feed them with good content. We will dey on the street, and anything where they happen on the street, it be him where we go can talk about here. You see, right now, this afternoon, this morning, and I should say the whole of today and days to come, there, when I ears inside door go be boom, 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 boom. No be say call. You see, the ear where God create give you, my guy. Take listening to good songs, and I'm telling you that I won't go to Methuselah in house, go see Methuselah then beg am before I can tell you say that them dead song which Atawali drop, no, it be banger. With the song be one like Chatawale the drop down song, the drop down song, but this song, Kai. You listen to the song, say you could think say Wale self be Jamaican. If you don't know Wale before, you could think say be Jamaican. Real dancer, attitude, beats, content, everything just on point. It dey go on. The boys they vibe plus the song on the street. Boys they vibe. Those of them they do videos for them cars, them Range Rovers inside, and those of them they go do for them Camrys and Infinities and them big cars. Then they roll up. Boys they roll up. Hey, this back at the Osu go ball up with this song rough. Osu, the street of Osu, Dakuma everywhere. Pram ball up with this song. Them dead. I know we talk say it be this song. I will go straight to the point. First of all, make we know something small about the song. I'm telling you the song. Okay, the song is composed and performed by Charles Nyama Mensah, aka Shatawale, aka the country boss, aka Boss Kome, aka Dancer King, aka African Dancer General. Now, first of all, the song is being produced by YGF. YGF is one of the biggest production or production companies that has worked with big artists from around the world. Here they have worked with our man Shatawale, Shensia Mavado, Skillibeng from Jamaica, Shenzia Movado, Skillibangs from Javilani, Jada Kingdom, Kushens, Charlie Black, and other top Jamaican recording artists. Yes, they are the people we YGF work with them. And right now, as I talk to you, Shatawale they part of all these people. So you have to, so I tell you say Shatawale name is not only Ghana and Africa. They hit around the ball. If you go to the Caribbean countries or the Trinidad and Tobago and stuff, you go hear Wale songs on the streets of everywhere. Charlie. Big up Wale. Wale the said Ghana name, It is said Ghana name, It is said the name, to the world, my guy. Make nobody lie you. Also in the song, in the damn dead song, Wale bigged up his mentor, the world boss, Adidja Palmer, widely known as Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel right now is in prison, but he still control the street of Jamaica, Kingston, everywhere. Portmore, he dey control everywhere. Bad man, real thing we are dealing with. The Jamaican star, you can't take it out. Vybz Kartel, the real dada. He's the real dancehall messiah. You can't take it out. And Shatawale follow suit. So definitely Shatta will deliver anywhere you put down. Put down for Carry Park self, he go deliver. They tell you, my guy. What I would, my sir. Make we go on. Okay, now, first of all, I beg you people, check out the song. The song is officially out. But you see, we all will find a way. We will find a way to put food on our artists, them at tables. You see, when your artist drop song, I dey like music fans where they don't get the mindset they want download songs for free and those kind of things. And I dey like those people pass. So if you be one of them, I know my fans where you there, or you be people where you want support your artist. No want anything for free. Say life, nothing for free. Nothing for free. So when an artist do sometimes when they drop songs where the song will banger like this, I beg when they put them on online stores and stuff like that, make we go. It be coins, make we buy 'em and listen. But this song there, may they repeat for me since morning. And I sure say go they repeat from now till the end of the year. So you to your own, you will fit do one till the end of maybe 2030 or something. That one be your own. But then, first of all, check the song out on the official link to the full length of the song on all Shatawale pages. Make sure you download it on the platform where our king can earn some coins to support the work. Yes, that one it makes sense. Just make sure so you go download the song for not be any blogger way you go buy the song way you can upload them for free on a website for the sake of clicks and things. You go buy them, or you go download the song. When our bloggers do at the back, you do when an artist then drop the song that the way they the stores are, make you no go down buy the song and upload them for free on your site. But then if you really want to support the artist, the best way you go do and be say go copy the iTunes link, the Amazon link, the link with the digital stores, copy the link and blog them. In that case, no, it be two things. So in that case, you the blogger, you go make your money, the artist to go make your money. Fair share, everybody go their ways, but guy, the song there, it be the vibe. Shatawale drop lift, it be banger. It ball up everywhere. You understand? But this song will while it drop there. Oh, the street or the ball. As a gogomi. Baby, basa. If they pass for Rolling Spark, then things circle safe. Unless the two tear guard before you go fit pass, because the crowd will ball up. They hear the boys, all they hear the song. They play from speaker to speaker everywhere. Them